All right, so how many of you in here have used PowerPoint? How many of you love it? How many of you hate it? How many have ever been forced to use PowerPoint to present an idea to a big group like Ignite Chicago? So when you start a presentation, you see this screen. You click to add a title, you click to add your ideas, add your text. So I'm going to show you an example where we do just that. Okay? I have this really brilliant quote by Edward de Bono. Creativity involves breaking out of established patterns in order to look at things in a different way. Is anybody inspired? That looks pretty creative, right? I did what it said, and then I did what the quote said. In this case, creativity involves breaking out of established patterns to look at things in a different way. So I took out the template and created a visual representation of the idea that I wanted to get across. So pretty simple there, but this is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite slide in this entire presentation because I did what the quote told me to do. I got rid of those established patterns, I deleted that entire template, and started with an idea. Start with a concept, and then let it just become something else. You don't try to force your ideas into a template. You're not trying to force a concept into a rigid framework. So here is another set of bullets. And we just did a simple, I cheated in this case, it's a smart art graphic from PowerPoint. Really, really easy. Anybody can do that. There was no creativity really at all in that part, but it looks really great. Here's another example where we just use different font. Let the words kind of speak out, share your idea, so you're seeing a push versus a pull. Okay? I can talk about my concept without having to worry about my bullet list. Okay? Here's a wonderful quote, be daring, be different, be impractical, be anything that will assert the integrity of purpose and imaginative vision against the play-it-safers, the creatures of commonplace, the slaves of ordinary. And then there's this girl. This one changed the way that I look at the world. This little girl thinks she's a princess. I'm not a princess person, but she is. She loves princesses. And so for her birthday, whenever she was turning 3, she wanted to have a princess party, but with pirates so the boys could come too. And I thought, I'll make these invitations for her. And these little graphics that you see, I created using PowerPoint, using nothing but shapes and graphics, and here you see them grouped. It's all gradients, it's shapes, it's colors, just played around. I love doing this so much that I missed my stop on the train twice on the same day. My husband wasn't very happy about that, but she got a great invitation. Okay. So then I took that idea to work. I had to create a tutorial on how to use this phone. Looking at the image, it's blurry, it's the wrong model, it's a horrible image. So I created my own. Again, looking at things as just a series of shapes, a series of colors, there's gradients, there's textures, throw in some font, and here you go. I created a special phone. Okay. Man, I almost hit that 5 seconds. There we go. So creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. I have absolutely zero graphic design skills whatsoever. That's not what I do. But I let myself make mistakes. I'm not afraid to just give something a try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. In this case, I threw together that princess and that pirate, shared it with some friends, and so what do you think about it? Knowing that I might look stupid, okay? This guy will tell you if you look stupid. But this is the point. Just try it. Let go of those rules, let go of those expectations, and see what you can do. So some game rules that we have so far. Remove the template. Let your words paint a picture. Okay? Try things that you never tried before. I had never created a princess nor a pirate, and I'd never missed my train stop twice. Here, the birthday project is something that I never tried before. Has anyone heard of this? The birthday project flips the rules. Normally, your birthday is all about you. With the birthday project, you make it about other people. And so for my 32nd birthday, I spent the entire day doing random acts of kindness for other people. So I asked my friends and family to join me in that, to share their stories and post them on Facebook. So it was a chance where I took the rules that I learned from PowerPoint, getting rid of this template, getting rid of these expectations and the idea that I'm going to look stupid walking around the office delivering PowerPoint or delivering candy and delivering gifts to everyone else. So why stand out, or why fit in when you were born to stand out?